How to get a bright and white smile in 3 easy steps. Are you aware that there are so many things that can instantly change the color of your teeth? Drinking tea, coffee, and red wine can cause unsightly stains. Smoking cigarettes and cigars can also make your teeth appear yellow. Do you want a white and shiny smile with healthy gums using natural products free of any chemicals? Bright smiles and white teeth were desirable long before whitening kits, strips, toothpaste, mouthwash, and professional treatments. Learn how to get your pearly smile and healthy gums with these practical 3-step, all-natural solutions. This homemade 3-step procedure is cheap, easy to use, and remarkably effective. Step 1. Whiten teeth with natural toothpaste. This paste contains 2 inexpensive ingredients that work together to scrub away stains and leave teeth whiter and brighter. Combining hydrogen peroxide with baking soda releases free radicals that help break up the stain molecules on the surface of the teeth. The stains are then easily brushed away. Start by mixing 2 parts of baking soda with 1 part of hydrogen peroxide into a paste. Using a toothbrush, apply the paste to your teeth and brush gently in small circular motions. Brush for up to 2 minutes, and be careful not to get any of the paste on your gums or leave it in your mouth for too long, as it can cause irritation and tooth sensitivity. Step 2. Make your teeth shine and bright with oil pulling mouthwash. To oil pull, put a spoonful of coconut oil in your mouth and swish it back and forth through your teeth for 5 to 20 minutes. Be careful not to let the oil touch the back of your throat. Spit it out and rinse your mouth with warm water. This method will give you a beautiful shine to your teeth and other great benefits. In traditional medicine, oil pulling has been used extensively to strengthen the teeth and gums, prevent oral malodor, bleeding gums, dryness of the throat, and cracking of lips. It can even support and promote good periodontal health. There is also some suggestion that this method could rebuild enamel on your teeth. Step 3. Get a healthy gums with a spice. Spices are a relatively inexpensive and natural way to combat inflammation. Cayenne pepper helps to reduce gum swelling by stimulating circulation in the gums. There are 2 methods to get your healthy gums. The first one is to brush your teeth with cayenne pepper tincture. Put 3 to 4 drops of cayenne pepper tincture on a soft bristled toothbrush. Gently brush your gums for a few minutes. Rinse your mouth thoroughly with water. Do this treatment once daily to help relieve pain and reverse periodontitis. The second, more extended method is to drink cayenne pepper in a glass of warm water. As with most natural remedies, start with a smaller dose, and increasing as needed is best. Begin with 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper and slowly increase to 1 teaspoon as your body adjusts to the heat level. For a sweeter flavor, add a teaspoonful of honey. If the heat of the cayenne pepper bothers you, then eat a slice of bread straight afterward to lessen the heat. Cayenne pepper also stimulates saliva production, making it one of the best remedies for dry mouth. Cayenne pepper can keep your gums in better condition, but it may also help quell other systemic health conditions related to your oral health. With these 3-step procedures, you will get a movie star smile. A mood-boosting, confidence-building, beautiful white smile. What are you waiting for? Smile with confidence.